Ew. Oh, he just chomped him in half and his legs are still kicking. Ew. Why do the fruit flies have such bright red eyeballs like that? They're like crayon red. Ew, its feet are still moving. With its whole body cut in half. Oh, I feel so sad for fruit flies now. Frog legs. Nom 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 nom. What a pig. Ew, he's got a leg. Ew, he's got a leg. Nom nom nom. Who's killing children over there? Yes. This macro lens is the best day of my life. I can't see. Show me. Ew, there's the eyes. Ew. Yum, 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 yum. Ew. I'm sorry, but am I making you uncomfortable while you have your dinner? Oh, it's got just the eye hanging out of its mouth. Yum, 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 yum. Ugh. This is so cool. All done. He's licking his lips. Wiping his little mouthy. Yum, yum, yum. I love this little dude. Oh, duh, I got the macro lens on. Oh, he's thirsty.
Reminder, you can get away with it.
Oh, he's Cassidy. Come spray water on my hand. Oh, never mind, I'll do it. He's thirsty. He's gotta wash his dinner down. Oh, he's so cute, thirsty. Can we get off the finger? Here you go. Yep. He climbed onto the lens.